Good morning and warm welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Bhavani Datta Joshi. In this video, I'm discussing with you about the contents of mathematics of grade 8. If you want to get similar items, similar contents from my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel and press on bell icon so that you can get notification of new videos regularly. Let's start our video.
Good morning,
Are
sir.
you observing my screen?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, we are in the topic of experimental verification, and after finishing this, we'll move to next chapter. So let's move forward. Yesterday, we did some part of this experimental verification. Verify experimentally that diagonals of a square bisects the vertical angle, and two figures of different measures are necessary. This is the question given to us, and we have drawn a figure. एउटा figure हिजो हामीले draw गरेका थियौँ क्लासमा. Similarly, we have to draw two figures and then we have to measure the angles. यो एंगल्सहरु नाप्नु पर्यो. We have to measure angle ADB, BDC or CDB, BDA. These two angles, similarly these two. यतापट्टिको नाप्दा पनि हुन्छ. We will get these angles 45 degree, 45 degree and 45 degree, all ticked angle which I am showing to you here. CAB as well as CAD or DAC, CAB. These angles are 45 degree as well as 45 degree. Now after measuring the angle, we have to fill the table. In table, write the angle CAB. Similarly, CDB. One angle is CDB, another BDA. That means these two. यो दुईटा एंगलहरु CDB and BDA. Similarly, next one DAC and CAB. These two angles also. You can map. And while measuring, we get all angles 45 degree. All angles are equal and are 45 degree. And our conclusion is diagonals of square bisects vertical angle. Just I completed remaining part of experimental verification which we started yesterday. Is there any confusion in it?
No, sir.
So if there is no confusion,
No, sir.
let's move to next experimental verification. Verify experimentally that all angles of rectangle are equal and right angles. It is easier one. All
Yes,
angles
sir.
of rectangle are equal and right angle. That means all angles are 90 degree. That we have to prove. So for that, we have to draw two rectangles. दुईटा rectangles draw गर्नुपर्ने हो. And in both rectangles, we have to measure these angles by using our protractor. Protractorले यो angle नाप्नुपर्ने. And after measuring these all angles, we will get all angles equal to 90 degree. Verify भइहाल्छ. Let's draw figures for it. Take one line segment. And for rectangle, at first make one angle 90 degree. हामी एउटा angle 90 degree बनाउँदैछौँ and we have to prove all angles 90 degree. अरु angle automatically 90 degree हुन्छन्. That we have to prove here.
Yes, sir.
So at first, draw one rectangle by taking a line segment and angle of 90 degree at one end. Okay, draw a line segment from here. Rectangle means two opposite sides are equal. Now make opposite sides equal. यो जुन side छ सुरुमा बनाएको हामीले at first which we have drawn, it must be equal to its opposite side. यसको opposite side मा यो equal हुनुपर्छ. This upper one माथिको यो side तलको side सँग बराबर हुनु पर्यो. Similarly, this vertical side which we have drawn as 90 degree, this must be equal to the side at right side. Right side मा भएको side र यो vertical side हामीले जुन draw गरेका छौं त्यो दुईटा equal हुनु पर्यो. Now join these. A rectangle is constructed and let us give name to it. Let it is P, Q, next point R, and last one S. This is a rectangle PQRS. Similarly, draw one more figure. एउटा rectangle अझै बनाउनु पर्यो हामीले. So take one line segment and draw angle of 90 degree at one end. This one gives us 60 degree at first. Then next 120 degree after drawing 60 degree, and draw bisector of these two. Draw vertical line now and take your compass again. Get measurement of line equal to the line at left side. Left side में हमले अहिले भर्खरै बनाएको line segment को length लियो compass मा. Cut it to right end. यतापट्टि यही काट्नु पर्ने हो. And take arc equal to base in your compass again. यो base सँग equal हुने arc काट्नु पर्यो माथिबाट. From here, this is another rectangle. Now remove the compass and join the point of intersection with end points of previous lines. Give same name to this figure also. This is also P. Next one Q, R, and last one S. Now which angles we have to measure? We have to measure all angles from here. Angle P already it is 90 degree because we have drawn. बाकी तीनोटा नाप्नु पर्यो. Angle Q is 90 degree.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, angle R, this is also 90 degree.
Yes, sir.
Angle S. Angle S is also 90 degree. For first figure, all angles, angle P, angle Q, angle R, and angle S are 90 degree. Similarly, measure same thing in second figure. Angle S, it is 90.
Yes, sir.
Angle R, it is also 90. Now
Yes, sir.
angle
Yes, sir.
Q,
Yes, sir.
angle Q is also 90, and P is
90
itself
degree.
90. P त हामीले already 90 बनाएको नाप्नु परेन. We have to measure Q, R, and S in the figure, and we have to copy same
Yes,
thing
sir.
here. Okay, in these both figures, angle P, next angle Q, angle R, angle S, these all are 90 degree.
Yes, sir.
Let me copy same thing here because all are 90 degree for both figures. And what we get here, angle P is equal to angle Q is equal to angle R is equal to angle S, and which is equal to 90 degree. This is our result. And what we will write in conclusion? Yes, please.
All angles of rectangle are equal and right angled.
All angles of a rectangle are equal and right
Right
angle. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
If there is no confusion, let's move to next question. Again, if you have problem, you may ask it to me.
Yes, sir.
Verify experimentally that co-interior angles of parallelogram are supplementary and two figures of different measures are necessary. This is said to us, two figures are necessary, and we have to draw two parallelograms in which co-interior angles are supplementary. Co-interior angle supplementary
180.
180 हुन्छ. Co-interior angleहरूको sum 180 हुन्छ, त्यो प्रुभ गर्नुपर्ने छ. So for that, let's draw two parallelograms. A parallelogram draw गर्दा एउटा मेथड त अस्ति हामीले ड्रा गरिसकेका छौँ, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And another thing is we can take sides like this. यसरी दुईटा साइड बनायौं, and we know opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. अब हामीलाई थाहा छ कि opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, so we can draw in this way also. अब यसरी पनि ड्र गर्न मिल्यो। यहाँबाट हामीले यो बेस तलपट्टिको साइड जति थियो त्यति नै यो लेन्थ लिएर माथिबाट काट्दैछौँ। एन्ड वी आर डुइङ सेम थिङ फर दिस वान अल्सो। यो भर्टिकल लाइन अलि स्ल्यान्टेड लाइन जुन छ यसको लेन्थ जति छ त्यति नै यहाँबाट पनि काट्नुपर्ने हो। डिड यु गट इट? यति लेन्थ हामीले यहाँबाट काट्यौँ अनि त्यसै गरी के गर्यौँ त दिस मच लेन्थ यहाँसम्मको यो लेन्थ हामीले कहाँबाट काट्यौँ?
माथिबाट।
माथिल्लो पोइन्टबाट यो पोइन्टबाट काट्यौँ।
Yes, sir.
एन्ड वी गट अ प्यारालोग्राम। अब यसरी जोइन गरिदिएपछि यो प्यारालोग्राम बनिहाल्यो। दिस इज वान प्यारालोग्राम। सिमिलरली यु क्यान ड्र अनदर प्यारालोग्राम अल्सो। अर्को प्यारालोग्राम पनि बनाऊ। लेट मी ड्र इट हियर।
सर प्यारालोग्राम एउटै साइडतिर किन बेन्ड भएको हुन्छ? दुईटै अलग अलग साइडमा बेन्ड भएको बनाउन मिल्दैन?
अलग अलग साइडमा बेन्ड भएपछि त लाइनहरू प्यारलल भयो त। प्यारालोग्राम मिन्स लाइन्स आर प्यारलल टु इच अदर। यो लाइन र दिस लाइन इज प्यारलल टु दिस वान भन्न खोजेको हो यहाँनिरको यो लाइनसँग। डिड यु अब्जर्भ द फिगर?
Yes, sir.
अब यो लाइन यता बेन्ड भएपछि प्यारलल हुन्छ त? नो। प्यारलल मिन्स डिस्टेन्स बिट्विन द लाइन इज अलवेज सेम एन्ड देयर नेभर मिट्स इच अदर। दुईटा लाइनहरू जो एकअर्कासँग मिट हुँदैनन् तिनीहरूको डिस्टेन्स अलवेज सेम हुन्छ भने त्यस्तोलाई हामी प्यारलल भन्छौँ। डिस्टेन्स सेम हुनलाई एउटा यता बेन्ड भयो एउटा उता बेन्ड भयो भने त प्यारलल बन्दै बनेन। द्याट इज नट प्यारालोग्राम, द्याट इज जस्ट क्वाड्रिलेटरल ओन्ली। त्यस्तो बनायो भने बन्न त फिगर बन्ने भयो बट द्याट विल बी क्वाड्रिलेटरल ओन्ली। ओके,
Yes, sir.
so do the same thing here also and take the line segment equal to this vertical line. यति यो line segment लो and cut it from the right end. यो end बाट माथि काट। Now join it and give same name to both figures. Let it is M, N, O, and this one is P. Okay, similarly give same name to next figure also. M, N, O. Next this one is P. So figures are clear?
Yes, sir.
In first figure as well as in second figure, two opposite sides are parallel to each other or two opposite sides are equal to each other. These both are parallelograms and name of parallelogram is MNOP. We have proved co-interior angles are supplementary. अब co-interior angle भने कुन कुन हुन्छन् त यहाँ? Angle P as well as angle M, isn't it? And
Yes, sir.
angle M as well as angle N. यी दुईटा पनि co-interior हुन्. Angle P and angle
Yes,
M
sir.
are co-interior. Angle M and angle N are also co-interior. Or angle P and O are co-interior. P र O co-interior हुन् or O and N. यो दुईटा पनि co-interior हुन्. So you can take any co-interior angles from here. Not necessary to take all. सबै लियो भने त P and O, O and N, N and M, M and P गरेर we will get the 4 pairs. But at least we have to take 2 pairs of co-interior angle, angle P and angle M and angle N, or P and O, O and N. कुनै दुईटा pair लिएपछि पुगिहाल्यो. Just it's for verifying. And we have to measure these angles. If we are taking angle M and N as co-interior angle, M र N लाई co-interior angle लिँदैछौँ भने angle M र N दुईटै नाप्नु पर्यो and their sum must be 180. दुईटै जोडेर 180 हुनु necessary छ. So check it. What is the value of angle M here? Angle M को value कति डिग्री आयो? Yes, please.
115.
114 or 15?
114.
14.
114.
त्यसो भए n कति हुनु पर्यो त? What will be value of angle n? 180 डिग्री हुनको लागि कति डिग्री बाँकी रह्यो? Remaining 180 minus 114. What is its value? Please check it.
66.
66. यतापट्टिको 66 छ कि छैन त्यो हेर्नुपर्ने अब. Angle n is 66 or not?
Yes, sir.
Angle
sir.
n is 66 degree. Similarly,
Yes, sir.
if angle m is 114 degree, what will be value of angle p? Angle p कति हुनु पर्ला त? If angle m is 114. Angle P पनि 66 हुनु पर्ला, isn't it? So
Yes,
it is
sir.
66 or not? It is also 66 degree. So angle M is 114, angle N is 66, angle M is 114, angle P is 66 degrees. That you can fill in
Yes, sir.
table, or you can take two different co-interior angle also. यताका co-interior angle लिए पनि हुन्छ अर्को नाप्नको लागि for another measurement.
Yes, sir.
So remember it in first figure 114 and 66. And now let's go to next figure. What is value of angle M in second figure?
70 degree.
70. Then what will be value of N? N कति होला त?
110.
110 degree. This will be 110 degree. Is this 110?
Yes, sir.
Angle M 70 degree छ भने angle P कति होला? What will be value of angle P?
110.
That will be also 110. यो माथिको angle P पनि 110 नै हुने हो. Is this 110?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
So then let's move to our slide. Just I inserted figure here. First figure, let me separate these two. First figure and second figure. So which angles we measured here? Angle M, angle P, and angle N only. We measured 3 angles. So we get the sum of angle M as well as angle N. Similarly, angle M plus angle P. For first figure, we get angle M 114 degree. Let me copy the same thing for angle M here also. It is 66. Angle N is also 66 degree. And sum of M and N by adding 114 and 66, 180 degree. Next angle M plus P is also 180 degree.
Yes, sir.
For second figure, we get angle M 70 degree and angle
Yes, sir.
P 110
110.
degree. Angle N is also 110 degree and sum of
Yes, sir.
M and N is
180.
180 degree. Similarly, angle M plus P is also 180 degree.
180.
So result is angle M plus angle N, it is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, angle M plus angle P, it is also 180 degree.
Yes, sir.
So for first figure and for second figure, result is same. Because of that, I used this arrow here. And what is our conclusion now?
Co-interior angles of parallelogram are supplementary.
Co-interior angles of parallelogram are supplementary. That is our conclusion. So in this way, this experimental verification is also completed.
Done. Yes, sir. Sir, how many is remaining? Oh, okay.
All experimental verification we completed. Is there any confusion in it?
No, sir.
So just let us revise shortly. First ma ke thiyo, verify experimentally that each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. यसमा सबै एंगलहरु नापेर 60 60 60 आएको थियो. Second one,
Yes, sir.
verify experimentally that base angles of isosceles triangle are equal. In
Equal.
this, we measured these base angle, angle B and angle C, and we fill the table. And third one was verify experiment that sum of angle of triangle is 180 degree or 2 right angle. We measured all angles and we added, we get some 180 degree. And fourth one is base angles of isosceles right angle triangle are 45 degree बनाए थे right angle isosceles triangle बनाएर angle Z र angle Y नाप्यौं and we get 45 degree and 45 degree. Next one, verify experiment that line joining vertex and midpoint of base of isosceles triangle is perpendicular to base. Vertex र midpoint आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल को वर्टेक्स र बेस को मिड पॉइंट जोड्ने लाइन बेस सँग परपेंडिकुलर हुन्छ. इन दिस क्वेशन we measured angle AMB and AMC, यो दुईटा एंगल दुईटै 90 डिग्री आयो. नेक्स्ट one, verify experiment that diagonals of square are equal. यो दुईटा स्क्वायरहरु छन् WXYZ, यो दुईटैमा डायगोनलहरु WY र XZ दुईटैको लेन्थहरु इक्वल आयो. We get the same length for both. XY is equal to WZ. Verify experimentally that opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. We proved this one also. In this question, we have drawn a parallelogram, two parallelograms, and यो दुईटा parallelogram मा opposite angle angle M र angle O, त्यसै गरी angle N and angle P, we get both angles equal. यो दुईटा equal आएको थियो M and P, M and O, sorry N and P and M and O. For both figures, angle M is equal to angle O, angle P is equal to angle N. For next figure also we used the same figure. For next question, verify experiment that opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Opposite side AB equal to CD, AD is equal to BC on length scale use गरेर measure गरेको थियो and we get the equal. Ninth number, experimentally we verified that diagonal of parallelogram bisect each other and we get DO is equal to OB and AO is equal to OC. Diagonally एकअर्कालाई bisect गर्छ भनेर prove गर्यो. This was the question asked by you from the test model set which I have given to you.
Yes, sir.
And verify experiment that diagonals of rectangle are equal. This we did yesterday. We get
Yes,
the
sir.
length of BD as well as AC equal. BD and AC in both figures equal. This we did just yesterday and today at starting. यो एंगल्सहरु सबै नापेर ADB CDB ADB र CDB दुईटै नापेर 45 डिग्री आउँछ. यसमा पनि त्यही हुन्छ. DAC and CAB, DAC and CAB, these two angles are also equal to 45 degree and 45 degree. And this one just we did few minutes ago. All angles of rectangle are 90 degree. And this one is our last experimental verification, just which we did few minutes ago. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in this we proved co-interior angles are supplementary. Co-interior angle को sum 180 degree हुन्छ भनेर prove गर्यो. So this much for today. Tomorrow we will start next chapter. If you will get any other problem related to this chapter, you may send that to me. That I will solve for you in next class. That means in tomorrow's class.
Yes, sir. So
Thank
3D.
Yes, please.
So tomorrow 3D objects.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Join your next class and enjoy your days. Be safe. Stay safe. Remain at home. Thank you. If you want to get similar items, similar contents from my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel and press on bell icon so that you can get notification of new videos regularly. Thank you very much. Have a great day.